Okay, we are backfilling the forms now. This is graded here a little bit. It's going to get some gravel on top. Here are the foundation drain lines. Mitch is working on that. And this is Dimple sheet, providing waterproofing for the foundation wall. So this 4-inch pipe here still has to come out over to here, where that opening straight ahead has a people door with an entry down here. This is where our 1.25-inch pipe comes in through the wall. That's through a 2-inch section of ABS that we had cast into the wall. And right now we are working on the connection between the 1.25-inch main pipe. We have to hook it up there and over to another 3/4-inch line that goes into the house. And then we'll be doing the foundation drainage along here too. So this is going to be a planted area, and that is where the stairs will be. So there's our foundation wall over on the west side. Working this. Ted is backfilling gravel and grading. And here is more of our dirt. But there's a lot of grading that has to happen here yet. This pile gets graded down to where that little short wall comes off of the tall wall. So there's a lot of dirt removal that has to happen. Here's all the perforated drain line. Mitch is working on that. So this will kind of give you an idea. Right about here is where grade is, and that's how much has to be removed. So we got our gravel backfilling in here now. Then we have a tight line for gutter. We'll go on top of this. There's one gutter there. Ted's just getting another load of gravel in his bucket. In a minute.
Is that about the right spot?
Yeah.
Shove this in the corner, Jeff.
Well, yeah. You just have him bring over another load, and then I can hand shovel the gravel over there.
Yeah, but that's not hurting the pipe at all.
Well, yeah, that's because I had the shovel over it to shield it.
It would hurt it.
So here's what we've got here. We've connected the new plumbing into the old plumbing. We got rid of the old ball valve that was buried there, and then we had to do a little bit of a turn here to be able to match the pipe. Here's the old pipe coming in. We've got an 1.25 T and elbow coming out, and the pipe comes across and through the wall where we have some Dimple roll for the waterproofing the foundation. So here comes Ted with another load of gravel. And I'm going to just put the phone over here. Maybe we'll see something, maybe we won't. Same as last time. Yeah, you can go in a little farther, and well, yeah, when you turn your bucket, that'll be good.
What's that?
I'm just trying to reach across to shield the pipe a little bit when you start dumping.
You want me to dump where I'm at? Do you want me left or right?
Well, you know what? You could, if you just swung over to this side of the pipe, I can shovel into there. Okay. So we just need one more bit of rock over here, and I think we'll have enough for this area. Step back a little bit. We're just working on the foundation drain right now. Okay. And there you go. Very good, productive day. Oh, you're not going to be here tomorrow, Ted?
I'm not. I'm out of town.
Oh, golf?
No, he's got important bike racing.
Oh, what, motor or bicycle? Oh, really? Are you into the road bike racing? Mountain bike.
Yeah, enduro. But they just started. The first enduro was about 7 years ago on this stage.
Okay.
But basically, the race on Saturday is.
Yeah, so there you see the plumbing. And we've got our fabric over the gravel with a little bit of gravel to hold it in place, and our Dimple water barrier on the foundation wall. And we are in motion down there with the tight line for the foundation drain. Okay, so this is Thursday. Tomorrow's a big day. Get a lot of stuff done. We've got some plumbing inspections coming in, and we're going to make up our build materials list to start doing walls.